Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging everything. This prevents shorts and data loss. Next, remove the battery or flip the PSU switch so no residual current remains. Ground yourself with a strap or by touching the case frequently to avoid static damage to the Intel HD package. Once done, clear a well-lit workspace and organize screws in labeled trays. Keeping screws paired with their locations avoids reassembly mistakes and speeds the process. You now open the chassis and remove the panel near the CPU/GPU zone so you can see the integrated graphics area. Identify any heatsink or brackets that secure the GPU or CPU IHS. Manufacturers sometimes solder or use shared cooling. Carefully unplug fan headers and unscrew mounting hardware in the sequence you noted earlier. Once screws are free, loosen the heatsink gradually to avoid warping. Then gently lift the module or daughterboard straight. Finish by cleaning old thermal paste with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Use fresh paste if reinstalling components to maintain thermal performance. Reattach the heatsink and brackets in reverse order, reconnect fans and cables, then replace panels and battery. Power on and enter BIOS to ensure system post, then boot the OS and check Device Manager for the display adapter. If you see no display or an error, reset connectors and check BIOS settings as the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.